Alright, I'm at 32545 Legacy Isle Parkway here in Avon Lake. We've got a new build. They are looking, obviously, for a lawn install. Seed, not interested in sod. She would like us, while we're here, to create some landscape beds. So we'll just do a little quarter bed here. A bed there. And then we can do a bed starting from the corner of this walkway. We'll kind of tie it in, bring it in. We don't want it super, super big. And we'll just round it around. And then just topsoil the whole area. It looks like the final grade did happen. It is just shale and rocks and gross. So 2 weeks prior, I'll have my Fert Tech come out and spray everything off. And we'll come in and do our thing. There are some areas here in the back that we're going to need a lot of topsoil for. Property line goes to here. So we'll need to level all this area up, build this up. There is a decent grade going from the house. We'll level off the backyard here. There's some low spots. It really kind of goes down. So if we can level it off just a little bit. I think these are drains. Yeah. So if we can keep the yard going towards the drain. That's where the property ends. So it literally just grades right through here. Kind of odd. We'll spray all this off. So we'll bring in probably a full size and a Harley rake. No beds in the back. She's getting a patio put in eventually, so she's going to wait to do landscape beds in the back. We can probably finish off this bed too. We'll just create a little half bed around the utilities. And that's it. Oh, I don't remember if I said, but property is about 175 feet by 95. That's it.